Hello all. In this video, we will explain you on how you can make use of tags for subscribe or contact form. Subscribe form or contact form can be used to collect emails of the people who are interested in your school. First, let's see on how we can add tag for the contact form. Go to website, pages, go to the page. Go to the contact form section. If you have the contact form already, you can edit it or you can add it from here. As I have the existing one, I am editing this. Now click on edit. Go to CTA. If you see here, there will be a default tag called enquiry. Means whomsoever is filling this form will have this tag attached by default. Additionally, if you want to add any tag specifically for the people who are submitting the form from this page, we can add here. Click on the add tags. You can pick the tag here. I am selecting as interest. Click on the add symbol and save. This means now whomsoever is filling the form will be having the tags enquiry and interest. Let's see how it looks from the live mode. Click on share. Go to the contact form. You can give the details here. Click on submit. Now, if you go to the admin dashboard, members, and if you click here, you will be seeing the tags in this way. This is similar to the subscribe also. For the email subscribe form, the subscriber tag will be by default. You can add the tag in the same way, like this. Thank you.